16 rounds every day for the rest of our lives. For those who are aspiring to do this, to take initiation, are either on their way to chanting 16 rounds every day, or they are chanting 16 rounds every day in preparation for initiation. Because Krishna Prem or mercy, it does not come cheaply. You have to actually have effort. So we do that in chanting the holy name. So, and then today our schedule is 5 o'clock to 5:20. So 20 minutes of kirtan. We're going to have youth kirtan. If no youth want to do kirtan, then we have Vaishnavi kirtan. So, Suparna Vaishnavi, Vaishnav. All right? Everyone, Prabhu. Because we bow down to, in humble obeisances to each other. And Prabhu means master. So when we greet devotees, we bow down in general and say Hare Krishna, or we fold our hands and chant, but we call him Prabhu. So that does not mean you're a man or a woman, because we're not this body. We're actually eternal spirit souls. So that's just a reference to saying I honor you. So as a spirit soul. So that's until 5:20, and then we will have Srila Prabhupada Leela from 5:20 to 5:50 for 30 minutes. So I have an 8-minute video that I hope will be very inspiring. It's the last, I think it's the day that Prabhupada left his body in Vrindavan, and he's speaking, and anyways, it'll be inspiring. So, and that's about an 8-minute video. So then after that, we're going to be passing the mic around for those who want to glorify Srila Prabhupada and thank him. So no one's required to speak if you feel in your heart so inspired to speak about Prabhupada. If you know who he is, then you can take the mic and speak. So that'll be for 30 minutes, and then we will do Prabhupada Arti. We're going to do a small arti, it's not a full arti, chanting the Maha Mantra. That's from 5:50 to 6, so that's 10 minutes. And then we will have, along with that, will be Pushpanjali, so it might be a little longer than 10 minutes. So we'll try to stay on schedule. And then after that, we will, at 6 p.m., the goal is to have Damodar Astakam, this is the holy month of Kartik, so we offer a ghee lamp to baby Krishna every day, because anything you do that's auspicious during this month is multiplied thousands of times. Be careful, because anything you do that's inauspicious is multiplied also. So if you do something like that, you're going to build up a lot of karma and you're going to pay for it later. So that's basically it. So, so don't do anything inauspicious. And then after that, we'll have Nishaya prayer, early kirtan, and then Nishaya prayer, and then we'll have the feast at 6:30. So vegetarian and vegan friendly feast. So, and then we'll pretty much wrap it up. So that's the schedule for today. Just a reminder, we're back on Tuesday Night Wisdom. It's 7 to 8 p.m. here every Tuesday. You can join in person or on Zoom. If you're so far a distance, many of the participants live maybe 30, 40 minutes away, so they join on Zoom. We have about 8 to 12 people that join regularly, so please join whenever you can. And that's 7 to 8 p.m. Tuesday night. We do have a Bhagavad Gita class in Woodbury from 6:30 to 7:30 that just started. So if you're interested in that, join our WhatsApp group, because we communicate that information there. And if you live in the Woodbury area, then you can join that class too. So I think that's everything for now. So let's get on with some youth kirtan. You want to do youth kirtan? Okay, very good. All right. Come on over. Jai Youth Kirtaniers Ki. Haribo. Thank you, Sharia. Haribo. Okay, so sorry, I'm trying to keep us on schedule here, so we have a lot to pack into the night. So we're going to listen to this 8-minute video, and then we'll go around and share the mic to glorify Srila Prabhupada. So today we're celebrating Srila Prabhupada's